How to enable dark mode on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch WhatsApp to dark mode quickly and easily. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Chats to open the chat settings. Let me show you. In the next step, tap on Theme to open the theme options. From there, you'll see three options: System Default, Light, and Dark. Tap on Dark to enable dark mode. At this stage, tap on OK to confirm, and WhatsApp will instantly switch to dark mode. Following this, go back to your chats, and you'll see the entire WhatsApp interface is now displayed in dark mode. From here, if you want to enable dark mode across your entire device at the same time, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Display. At this point, tap on Dark Mode and toggle it on. This will apply dark mode system-wide across all apps that support it, including WhatsApp. Here's an important note. Dark mode is easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions, and can also help save battery life on devices with AMOLED displays. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable dark mode on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.